Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you live from my home office here in San Antonio. And today we are going to open up my very first Ipsy bag. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright guys, so seriously, I was gonna wait until, because my daughter actually has an Ipsy bag coming too, and I was totally gonna wait until hers came, so I can do like a mother-daughter or mother-teen versus Ipsy kind of thing, but I cannot wait. I don't know about you guys, but if you've been following me for probably about a month, you guys know that I'm like a little bit addicted to these subscription boxes, so I definitely wanted to get into this one. This is my very first Ipsy bag, and if you've been probably thinking I'm in a bubble right now because Ipsy has been around for a very long time, but this is my first time opening one up. I'm in the process of getting rid of everything that's in my beauty, my makeup collection over there in the bathroom. So I'm not gonna have any duplicates yet, but if you are new to this channel, definitely stay tuned, and subscribe to it, because what I'm gonna start doing, since myself and my daughter, we both get Ipsy, when I start having duplicates, which is probably gonna be very soon, but I'm actually gonna be unboxing a couple other different boxes too. I'm actually gonna do my very first giveaway once we hit 2K, so 2,000 subscribers. So definitely make sure that you subscribe to this, like it, because that's going to be probably very soon, so you can be a part of that very first giveaway. So let's go ahead and let's get into this one. So I can say, and I'm going to start with, because I added something on to my Ipsy bag. So this is not a part of the Ipsy bag, but I heard so much about this cream, and I wrote something on Facebook, and I was like, got my very first boom cream. So I saw that this was something that you can add on one of the mornings. I believe it's like the second day of the month is when you can add products on if you'd like them. And I think that's great, because being that I'm definitely getting rid of everything in my makeup collection as of right now, I kind of want to check things out, see what I like from different brands. So this is a Brazilian boom cream. So give me a second, let me put that in the right space, so if you can see that there. So this is Sol de Janeiro boom cream. I've heard a lot about this cream, so I wanted to try it out myself. So this is not a part of my Ipsy bag, but this is an addition that I added to my bag. So let me see what else we have. Oh, and I got a freebie when I first signed up also. When you first join Ipsy, you can invite some friends to it. You can invite people to it. So this was like a free Calendula cleansing water. Hold on, let me put this over here. This is a cleansing water that I added to my bag also. So that's something that we definitely want to check out. This is, when I looked it up, it was like a Korean makeup line. So my daughter was super stoked about that one, so she wanted to try this one out, so we got that one for free. So those are not part of my Ipsy bag, but now let's get into my Ipsy bag. So my first Ipsy bag, it's a rose gold bag, which is super cute, and on the front it says, "And off she went to change the world." Super cute. And then there's like a little star there that says Ipsy. Very cute. So I know that there's a card with it, because I saw a couple other videos, and this month they were talking about Women's History Month. So I know for sure that every product in this bag has to do with companies that are that the CEO is a woman. So I think that's super cool. And another reason why I wanted to do of Ipsy versus Ipsy was because I know a couple people had a question in regards to the information that's inside. This gives you everything that's in your bag. But one of the ladies that I watch on YouTube, her name is Abadabs, definitely go check her out. She was curious as to if these informational cards are the same. So that's why I'm doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy, because I don't know if they're the same. My daughter's bag comes in a couple of days, so that's why I didn't want to wait for hers. but I'll do the Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I'll show you guys both cards so that you can see if these are really curated to whatever you answer in your profile, or if this is just something that's sent out to everyone and everyone has the same information. I can tell you that we looked at the spoilers of my daughter's bag because, of course, I couldn't wait. My daughter could wait, but I was like, I can't wait. She actually has different products. So I'm sure that her card is different, but I'm going to put them side to side once I do the Ipsy versus Ipsy so that you guys can see, just in case if you're curious as to, are these really all different or are they not? So let's go ahead and get into what's in here. So the first thing I have, and I have brushes, but they're like super old. So I am taking brushes as I can get them. So the very first brush here is from Royal and LANGNICKEL MŌDA. And let me open this one up and see. This is a Pro Precision, can't talk, angle brush. So you can see that there, if you can see that. And then what it says here is, this brush line is known for its stylish on-trend brushes with waterproof silk textured handles. This one's just the right size for applying highlighter and contour products where you need them. Bonus, this brush is vegan friendly and cruelty free. A tip, dab your brush into highlighter and swipe it wherever you want to glow, like your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. So I'm down for a new brush so I can throw away the old brushes. Super cool. So that's my very first item. And then the next item, I was so curious about this one because, again, I saw what I was getting in my bag, so I am totally not surprised. But this one, you didn't know what color you were getting. So this is a mini, hold on, let me get it so you guys can see. Oh, here. This is from CIATÉ London, and you can see that there. There you go. Hopefully. Okay, so this CIATÉ London, this is a mini lip luxury in Call Me. So I have the color Call Me. The MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we're always down for that. So this vitamin E infused gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty pink color you can layer to deepen the shade. A tip, use this beauty to extend the life of your lippies. Just swipe some of this on your favorite matte shades to transform them into glosses. Like, I'm totally into glosses. I love them. Let me take a swatch here so that you guys can see. And from what I saw with some of the videos, this was very light color. So this went with any shade. I know that you guys cannot probably see that. I'm looking here. Let me see if I can lessen the light. It's a little, so you can kind of see that, but I like to wear lip gloss basically everywhere. I don't really like lipstick because lipstick is too cakey for me sometimes. Depends on the lipstick, but I prefer a lip gloss because I can just throw that on and go head on out the door. I don't need a lot of color, so that color is perfect. It gives you just a texture, especially if you don't know, I live in Texas, from New York, but I live in Texas, so you'll hear the New York come out whenever it comes out. But in Texas, it gets very hot in the summer, so anything that's gonna make me hot, like a lot of foundation, a lot of makeup, I don't really wear a lot of makeup in the summer because it's way too hot. But lip gloss, if I can just throw it on and not feel like I have like a pound of a thousand things on my face, I'm down for. So that's definitely looking forward to that one. And then the next thing here is, let me show you guys. This is SKYN ICELAND Berry Lip Fix. So this one is super cool. Let me see if I can lessen the light so you guys can see this one. There he goes. All right, so this one is this brand's product. Hold on. Okay, there you go. This brand's products are made to heal, relieve, and replenish stressed out skin. Made with wintered red algae, almond oil and shea butter. This berry scented lip balm nourishes dry and chapped lips, coats them in long-lasting moisture. So tip, swipe onto bare lips for a hydration boost. Apply before lip color so it goes on nice and smooth. Mix some of your favorite lip colors to create a sheer stain. So again, that's good because that's kind of what I do with lip gloss. I put a little bit of lipstick and then lip gloss it because I like the shiny look of it. And then what else do I have here? And then the next thing I have is, and a lot of people may not like to get little samples like this, but the reason why I like to get samples of this with Ipsy, which is cool, is that if, let's say with the Boom Boom Cream, I was just nosy and checking this one out because I wanted to see it, but let's say if I really liked this cleansing water. So once they have that day that you can add on the second day of the month, you can actually buy the full size product. I think it's for like $10 or $12. Again, I'm super new, so you guys tell me. I think it's 10 or 12. I don't know. But you can buy the full size product of it. And if you look these things up in the store, they're very expensive when you go through the company. So I'd rather get little samples like this so I can test them out myself rather than hopefully, spend a whole bunch of money and hope that they work. So I'd rather do it this way so I can, take, even if it lasts me a couple days, a week, I can check them out myself and then decide, hey, I'm gonna keep it. All right, so the next thing is, here you go. And this is from Sand and Sky. There you go. And this is a Australian pink clay pore refining face mask. This brand was founded by sisters who share a passion for using rare Australian ingredient in skincare, made with light pink Australian clay. This mask tightens pores, nixes excess oils, and leaves your skin feeling so smooth. Tip, apply an even layer over clean skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle, totally normal. Gently rinse off with warm water. Pat your skin dry. Sorry. All right, so that's cool. And then the last but not least, which is what I needed. This is, okay, so this is from Pure, and this is a Afterglow mini highlighting skin perfecting powder. So how cool is that I have a brush that actually goes with the highlighter, so that's fresh. So this is a Pure Afterglow mini highlighting skin perfecting powder, and Pure is known for makeup with healthy ingredients that improve your skin from inside and out. Made with skin nourishing keratin complex, this reflective powder has an iridescent gold shimmer that blurs imperfections while giving you a little from within radiance. Tip, use a highlighter brush, which we have. Use a highlighter brush to apply wherever you want to glow, like your temples, brows, cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and chin. So all in all, I think this was a very, very awesome bag for my first bag. These two things go together. Between the add-ons that I did just to check things out, and then the lip gloss and the berry, if you think about it, the brush and the highlighter went together, and these two things went together because you could put this on before you put your lip gloss on. So all in all, I think they did a perfectionist job, if that's even a word, but they did an awesome job. So I loved my first Ipsy bag, and stay tuned because on my next video, or one of the next videos, you'll see an Ipsy versus Ipsy, mom versus teen. I have a 17-year-old, so her profile was totally different from mine. And again, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Did you guys get an Ipsy bag this month? What did you guys get? Did you get what I got, or did you get something different? Are we Ipsy twins, as they say, or are we not Ipsy twins? So definitely stay tuned. So we are going to do a giveaway the minute that we hit 2,000. So if you want to be part of that, definitely subscribe. So see you guys at the top, and see you on the next video.